This is how you turn the sound on and off on your Instant Pot. This will allow you to turn on and off the beeping. This is how you do it. Plug it in. Right now my sound is on. So it beeps when it turns on, and it beeps 10,000 times when it finishes cooking. To turn the sound off, plug it in and don't press anything. Just hold the minus sign button. And it'll say S off, sound off. And it's gonna save that setting. So when I unplug it and I plug it back in, it's not gonna beep when it turns on. See? And when I click around, it doesn't beep, okay? To turn the sound back on, you need to just hit cancel, go back to the main screen, and hold the plus button. That's gonna turn the sound back on. S on. And when I press around, it goes back to beeping. That's how you do it. I hope that helps. I'm gonna turn mine off again because I like my sound off. Check the links down below. Be safe and replace your ceiling rings. So I'll put links for that. Replace those often. Peace.